Welcome back again. We are still on how to create your own Hotsaq course. Alright, so today I'll go ahead and look at components under course settings. So the first thing we have here is course group. There's course group. So we'll go ahead and hit on this. Create new group. So the group name should always be associated with the course we are working on. So the group name is going to be, I'm going to say, it will be very easy for me to go ahead and go back to this and copy this. It's going to be my group name because I'll be creating too many courses. I might be creating about 1000 courses on Hotsaq. Copy. Yeah. So I've just copied this. So go ahead and hit on components. So the group name is the name of the course, and it's a public group so that anyone can enter. And the group description is this group is for students taking the course on, I'm going to paste this on engineering students project using microcontroller. So this is always going to be the group description. So you can go ahead and make yours to be the way you want it to be. We have free to do that. So go ahead and hit on create new group. I'm going to say this will create a new group in the site. Do you want to continue? Yes. Come on. Yeah, you can see that. The new group name is Engineering Students Project using microcontroller. So you can always go ahead and edit, or you go ahead and change. So if you hit on edit, come on, I'm gonna close this. Maybe you can do that later. You can hit on edit to go ahead and pop up a new stuff for you, or you go ahead and hit on change. You go ahead and change this. So I am not changing this, so I'm going ahead and create this group again because I cancelled it. So that's the group I want to use. So you go ahead and create a different forum. This is where your students go ahead and ask these questions. Students can be able to create a new topic under here, or the students can join the group and discuss about the course. So your students discuss about the course, everyone brings an idea here, and the forum allows students to ask questions and directly under each course. So go ahead and hit on create new forum. Because I think you don't have an existing forum right now, so if you have an existing forum, you can allow students to always ask questions under there, just the same way you have under group. So the forum name is going to be still the name of the course, and it's still going to be a public forum as well. And the description is this forum is for students taking the course on, paste this, engineering students project using microcontroller. So if you ever enter here, it's going to tell you that this forum is for students taking the course on engineering students project using microcontroller. So I'll go ahead and hit on create forum, and this will ask me, this will create a new forum in the site. Do you want to continue? Yes. Go ahead and hit on new. Alright, and see that I have a forum, engineering students project using microcontroller, and I have a group again, engineering students project using microcontroller as well. So I'll go ahead and hit on save components. This will override the previous course settings. Do you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue. Okay, so you can see I have edited a course, and settings has been done. Oh, come on, I jumped it. I went and click on set price, and it took this as good because I jumped it. So go back. I have not set the course curriculum. So we have just completed two things: settings, components. And previously we worked on edit course, start building a course. That was the first thing we did. So you can see that we have achieved three things in total: starting a course, setting a course, and course components. And because I jumped this, I click on prices, it marked this as good, but I don't need to jump this. So in the next tutorial, we go ahead and look at set curriculums. We'll learn how to add lectures and how to add quizzes. So I'll go ahead and meet you in the next tutorial, because it's going to be very important, and it's going to be very interesting as well. So you're learning how to add sections, add lectures, add quizzes. So thank you, and I'm gonna see you in the next tutorial.